What's up, guys?
Not part 3.
Part 3, because we can't make a bubble.
We're removing the one piece.
Removing them. Wait, did you even post the other videos?
Yeah, I posted. Oh! But did you mix them?
What?
Don't mix them. Because this is the one that doesn't have bubbles.
Mm.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
Good time.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
It's for our break.
Yeah, it's not mine. When Liam's break time, I do this one. I'm break time, Liam does this. It's just the opposite way.
Kanino ba itong bag?
Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa yan.
Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Okay, this row is finished. Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
This one just has a few.
When Liam's done with his
Break time,
it's my time to get break time. That's how you do it. Oh! Ellie, I can't watch this.
Guys, help us out. Help us how to make bubbles. We kind of don't know.
Liam, you should follow me so we can live.
Oh, live?
Yeah,
I
live.
never have a live.
Yeah, you know how to live?
No.
50 subscribers.
50?
Yeah.
You can only live in 50 subscribers?
Yeah.
Wait,
What?
my mom goes live.
Erika,
In YouTube?
nag-aangat ka nga.
Yeah. I mean in Facebook. Why is my mom got so many subscribers?
I don't know. No, it's me. Ask my mom. Sorry, guys. We want to... Guys, can you please subscribe to us so we can live?
Yeah. I've never done a live.
Follow Camille Erica Gomez and Alex.
And Hot Tiger.
Yeah.
Hot
They can't see
Tiger.
us because it's
Hot
light.
Tiger is my brother. My brother makes those videos.
Yeah.
I'm sometimes in them.
Yeah. I don't really watch their videos because they're too cringe. So is mine. My videos are cringe. But this is the first ever video that isn't cringe. Oy!
What was that?
Sigma boys. I don't know.
Those big time fun.